Hello sewing people of the internet. In this video I'm just going to unbox the new Workhorse motor I got from Sailrite for my old, new to me but old PWZ 500 that I introduced in the last video, I think. I don't actually know if unboxing videos are even a thing anymore, but it's honestly all I have time to do right now is just open the box and see what's in it. So I thought I'd share that with you. In a future video I'm going to mount the motor to this table and tell you how it works and what I think about it. Full disclosure, Sailrite discounted this motor substantially, but I still paid a substantial amount of money for it. So I guess this is a paid product placement, sort of. So, you know, take anything I say with a grain of salt. As everyone who knows me knows by now, I'm a big fan of Sailrite, and I really like their products. I don't expect to be unpleasantly surprised by this, but who knows? And I'm going to compare it honestly with the cheap servo motor I put on my console. So look for that in a future video. If you like the videos I make, clicking like always helps. And if you're not a subscriber, I'd love for you to subscribe. If you have questions or comments, comment below. You can also buy stuff from the Teespring store you should see below the video if you want to help me keep doing this stuff. All right, let's take a look in the box. The motor comes with the linkage to go to the pedal. I actually already have this for the pedal that I have for the table, so I have an extra. No idea what this is. Oh, that's right. So I also ordered the stitch length lever and reverse lever for this machine to update it to the one that's on the current Sailrite models. So that'll get installed in a later video. And there's the pulleys and whatever. And there's the motor. Simple enough. Belt cord. Feels really light. You know, it's probably similar to the servo motor that I put on my console in terms of the weight, but I didn't weigh that one, and I don't have a scale to weigh this one, and I don't think anyone really cares, but so looks pretty simple. I like that it's all integrated into one unit. On the one that I put on my console, and I'll cut in some footage of that, there's a separate brain box, so you have the motor and then a separate control unit, I guess, where the power switch and the settings are. This is all in one unit, so that's kind of nice. So, well, anyway, that's what comes in the box if you order one of these. So, minus the stitch plate, unless you order that too. So that's what it looks like. We'll see how easy it is to install. I expect the instructions will be far, far better than with the motor I put on my console. Sailrite is known for their excellent instructions and customer support and how-to videos and stuff, so I have nothing but confidence that the install will go smoothly, but that will have to be in a future video. If you would like to see this motor get installed and you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I make new videos. I do it kind of sporadically, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Old Thompson PZW, no,